Guys, in part 1 you understood what to do to improve your English. But today in part 2 I am going to tell you exactly how to apply all those points, how much time to give, when to practice and how to make English a part of your daily routine. This is the most practical video of this entire part, I can say entire series. So watch till the end, and yes, if you haven't watched part 1 yet, please watch it. It's extremely important, especially if you truly want to start speaking English confidently. I shared real practical things in part 1 that can actually make English easier for you. Look guys, instead of watching thousands of videos, random videos every day, just follow what I have told you step by step. And when you start seeing results, don't forget to come back and tell me in the comments. So let's begin. Hey everyone, I'm Shalima, your English coach. Welcome to the channel, and before we begin, quickly hit the like button, hype up this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it with someone who truly wants to improve their English, because your one small action gives this channel big energy and helps me create more powerful lessons for you. So let's begin with point number 1, the most important one. Yesterday I told you what you need to do, but today I'm giving you the complete study plan. When to do it and how to do it step by step. So the point number 1, know yourself, which I have talked about in the previous video, part 1. So step 1, identify your level. Take 2 minutes. Do this first before practicing anything. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. Can I understand English easily? Only basic words? Full sentences? Almost everything. Can I speak English alone? Only small lines or full sentences? Or do I freeze? Can I speak English with people? Confident, nervous, stuck? Your honest answer will show your exact level. If you are a beginner, understand little, speak very basic. If you are intermediate, understand more, speak but break flow. Advanced but hesitant, understand everything but scared to speak. Right? Now step 2, daily practice plan for each level. Choose your level and follow that routine for the next 7 days. So if you are a beginner, total 10 to 15 minutes are enough for you. You should practice in the morning or evening, whenever your mind is calm. It depends on you. Now let me tell you what to do. So speak very small sentences. Use basic vocabulary only, and don't try long and complicated lines. And repeat the same lines daily. For example, I'm ready, I'm eating, I'm going, I like this. Okay? Like that. Now, what you need to do is, you need to set a goal. Get comfortable with speaking anything, even if it is small. So if you are an intermediate, now you have to spend total 20 minutes. Choose a fixed timing, maybe after breakfast or after dinner. Now in this case, in intermediate case, what you need to do, let me tell you. Speak in full sentences. Use modal verbs like can, will, should, may, might. Alright. Describe your daily routine. Add 5 new vocabulary words every day to your routine. For example, I can complete this today. I will go for a walk. I should practice more. Okay, so what here you need to set a goal to do the practice to improve your structure plus flow. Alright, now if you are advanced but hesitant, so you have to give total 25 to 30 minutes. Do this anytime, but consistency is the key. Now, let me tell you what you need to do if you are an advanced learner. You mirror talk for confidence. Okay? Focus on tone, clarity, and speed. And let me tell you, shadow 1 to 2 minutes of native English speakers. Record your voice for checking mistakes. Alright? And your goal is to sound clear, confident, and natural. Alright? Now, let me tell you the step number 3. I have completed all 3 levels. Now, let me tell you one thing. Here, I can say this is the step number 3. You need to daily check your level for 1 minute. Every night, ask yourself, did I follow the routine? Did I freeze anywhere? Which sentence felt difficult? Just 1 minute of checking daily will show your improvement clearly. Okay? And here I am going to share you step number 4, that is write your level somewhere. This is really important. Take a paper or your phone notes and write, I am a beginner. I will practice 10 minutes daily. Or if you are an intermediate, I am an intermediate. I will practice 20 minutes daily. Okay? And if you are an advanced but hesitant speaker, you just write, I am advanced but hesitant. I will practice 30 minutes daily. Stick it near your study table or mirror. This keeps you focused. Alright? Do this and I'll promise you will improve your English. Now in step 5, you follow this for next 7 days. I'm challenging you. Your English will improve. So when you practice according to your level, your mind does not get confused. Your improvement becomes faster and speaking becomes natural. Alright, now that you clearly know your level and your daily routine, let's move to point number 2, because without this next step, your improvement will always stay slow. That one is grab the material that I have already talked about in part 1 video. That is complete study plan that I am going to give you. What, when and how. So in part 1 I told you is the mean of grab the material. So whenever you find a useful phrase or a new vocabulary word or a ready-made sentences, immediately save it in your mind. But today, let's turn it into a clear daily routine, because if you don't collect English input, your output speaking will never grow. So here is the easiest way to apply this. Okay? So step number 1, collect 5 things every day. Take 5 minutes. 5 things, 5 minutes. Okay? This is your daily collection. So whenever you watch something in English, a reel, a movie or a YouTube video, collect just 5 items. First one, new word. One new word, okay? One new phrase. One new ready-made sentence. One pronunciation tip. One expression from movies or shorts or conversations. Alright, that's it. Not 20, not 50, only 5. Your mind can easily store 5. I know that. You are very sharp-minded. I know that. Okay. In step 2, what you need to do is read them twice a day for 2 minutes. Alright. The first one is in morning, if you are having a time, for 1 minute. Okay. But you just take out the time. Okay. In night, 1 minute. So just look at them, guys. Don't force yourself. Your mind will automatically start remembering. Okay? Say them out loud for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you sleep, speak each collected item once. Alright? Say the word. Say the phrase. Say the sentence. Repeat the pronunciation tip. Use the expression in any line. For example, let me give you the example here so that you can understand better. If your phrase is by the way, okay, if your phrase is by the way, say, by the way, I wanted to tell you something. This makes your mouth comfortable with English. Okay? And apply one item the same day. Pick any one thing from your collection and use it in a real or imaginary situations. While talking to yourself, while texting to someone, while thinking, while speaking in your room, okay? If you are alone, using just one new thing a day improves your English and you will speak fast. Now let me tell you when to do this. You can follow the simple schedule. In morning, read yesterday 5 items. Daytime, collect today's 5 items. And at night time, read plus speak them once. Okay? Total 5 to 8 minutes a day. No need to give your much time. And that's it. Now that your material is ready and your mind is collecting English naturally. Now let's talk about something that makes your sentence stronger and more confident. That is called modal verbs that I have already talked about in part 1. Modal verbs like can, should, may, might, could make your sentences clear, more and confident. Okay, so let me tell you how to practice with them daily. Okay, so in step number 1, let me tell you, pick one modal verb per day for 1 minute. For example, you can take can or should, or you can take will. Just choose one. Okay, in step number 2, you need to speak 5 easy sentences for 2 minutes. Okay, for example, with can. Okay, for example, I can do this, I can learn English, I can speak English, I can do the practice, like that. And in step number 3, use the same model to talk about your day in 3 minutes. You have to give 3 minutes to talk about your day with the help of the same modal verb. For example, I should finish my work. Here I am using should, but you will use something else, whatever you will choose. Okay. So the example number 1 is I should finish my work. I will study today. I might go out later. Okay. And in step 4, use your collected vocabulary with modal verbs for 1 minute. For example, phrase collected by the way. Okay. And sentence. You can say, by the way, I should tell you something. In daily time, you need 5 to 7 minutes. If you do this for next 7 days, modal verbs will become natural in your speaking. Now that you can use modal verbs confidently, the next step is even more powerful. Framing small sentences, right? So give yourself right environment. I have already explained this in detail in part 1, but remember, your environment shapes your fluency. So fill your surroundings with English. What you watch, what you listen, and even the small things you say to yourself, the more English you keep around you, the faster your mind starts thinking in English naturally. So yes, environment matters. And now that you have set the right atmosphere around you, it's time to do the most powerful thing. Yes, I'm talking about point number 5, that is speak out loud, not in your mind. Most learners make this mistake. They only think in English but don't speak it. Your fluency grows when your tongue practices, not just your mind. So start saying sentences out loud, even simple ones. Your voice is your biggest English teacher. You know what? Yes, your voice is your biggest English teacher. So guys, these were the 5 powerful steps that can truly shift your English journey. Know yourself, grab the right material, follow a study plan, build the right environment and speak out loud. So if you follow just these 5 things with honesty, your English will not just improve, it will transform. And I guarantee it for this. Remember guys, fluency is not magic. It's a daily commitment. Even if you grow 1% every day, after 30 days, you won't even, recognize the old you. And trust me guys, you are fully capable of, becoming the speaker you dream of. I want to hear from you guys. Which point are you going to start applying today? Comment below because your answer might inspire someone else too. And don't forget to watch my 30 days spoken English course, which is already available on my YouTube free of cost. Alright, check the playlist, go to the courses section and open it. You will get full 30 videos of 30 days spoken English course. Watch this and start speaking. Till then, keep practicing. If this video helps you, please like the video, hype up this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it for next video. This is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.